Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a hot topic, what to consider before buying weight loss pills. If you're thinking about shedding those extra pounds with a little help, you've come to the right place. Let's cut to the chase and get into the must-know tips before making that purchase. First, and most importantly, always consult your doctor. I can't stress this enough. Even though weight loss pills are easily available, they can have serious interactions with other medications or pre-existing conditions. So, your doc's input is critical. Next up, check the ingredients. Weight loss pills come with a variety of active ingredients. Look out for things like caffeine, green tea extract, or even more exotic stuff like Garcinia cambogia. Know what you're putting into your body. Research each ingredient for both benefits and potential side effects. Look for clinical studies. Many weight loss supplements claim to work miracles, but you want to see the science behind those claims. Peer-reviewed studies and clinical trials can tell you if those pills actually do what they say they'll do. Alright, now let's talk about dosage. More isn't always better. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label unless your healthcare provider advises otherwise. Overdoing it can lead to severe health issues. Moving on to reviews and reputation. Before you buy, check out what other users are saying. Look for reviews from verified buyers and reputable health forums. This can give you a real-world perspective on effectiveness and potential side effects. Next, consider the cost. Just because a pill is expensive doesn't mean it's effective. Compare prices, but don't compromise on quality. Sometimes generic brands offer the same benefits as their more expensive counterparts. Don't forget about lifestyle changes. No pill can replace a balanced diet and regular exercise. Think of weight loss pills as a boost to support your healthy lifestyle, not a magic fix. What about the legality and regulations? Make sure the product is approved by relevant health authorities in your country. This ensures that the supplement has been tested for safety and efficacy. And last but not least, beware of scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid products with outlandish claims like, lose 10 pounds in 2 days. Stick to reputable brands and sellers. That's a wrap, folks. I hope these tips help you make an informed decision about weight loss pills. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See ya!